with this exercise, we want to show you this ability to work against your disparate applications and servers.
Absolutely. So you're looking at same screen that I was showing you. This is find and track order. And what I will do, I will go a little bit in technical mode here and turn the debug mode on here. What that will do is that will give me the web part number, which actually is responsible for displaying this this information. So I will go to EASYProcess. Doug was talking about the platform. What we're looking at is the platform which is responsible for everything that you saw, including all the processing, workflow, display. So I will go to web part.
And let me put this in perspective. 40% of our customers don't want to hear the word development. They just want us to deliver turnkey, totally outsourced, but 60% of our customers do want to have some development ownership. And some of our customers want to have 100%. They just go with EASYProcess, learn it in 2 weeks, and they create their applications themselves. So this is another differentiator that KRISE offers. Or you can come to us and we're very, very good at this platform, obviously. We can just spec out the requirements and create the application.
So here you're looking at the web part, which is the find and track order. And I want to drag and drop a label control here. So if you ask us to make a change, this is how we go and make a change into your application. Or you could be doing this yourself with proper training into the tool set. So here I'm going to name this delivery date. And then I'm going to put a description to it, delivery date. And at this point of time, I'll just go ahead and build this web part just to show you the change that I just did on onto the onto the website. So I'm just refreshing this, and there's your delivery date. By doing that, I have added a field here into your web page. So now I want to add a little logic here to bring the date from a custom table, a F55 table, and display that date in there. So here is the logic. This is the logic piece of EASYProcess, and I just want to add a new logic here in the database. These are all services that we provide. We have 400 plus services that can do a disparate set of services. So this is where we can connect with JDE AdWords. These are our JDE AdWords services. We can connect with SAP. We can connect with PayPal. We have PDF services. So one of these services we'll be using to connect to your other applications that we're talking about. But in this example, I just want to do a quick inquire on a JDE data, which is the custom table. So I'm going to double click on this one, and I'm going to choose the file name. Now you see all the JDE file names I have here. I just need to get F554210. This is a custom table we keep to keep some delivery info, like a shipping information. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to use the order number here, and I'm going to tie this order number with the order number of the web page, which is SHDOCO. And then I'm going to bring a result, and I'm going to bring DDJ, which is our delivery date, in from this custom table. So by doing that, I have brought this delivery date into my canvas here. Now I want to put that on the web page. So I'll go to another set of services called HTML services. This allows me to work with fields on a web page. So I'm going to drag and drop, and I'm going to say that, okay, the field that I received from the inquire, I need to put that field in. So here's my delivery date. I want to set the text, and the value I want to set is the delivery date I just received from the inquire function. So by doing this, saving this, I'm going to join this, and I'm going to build this. So it's built correctly, then go ahead and refresh this again. So there's the delivery date. This is the only order which had the delivery date in that custom file, and there it is. It's a JDE date, so we also have a function to convert this into.
So it's Julian.
From a Julian to regular format. So I can go here and I can say, okay, the rule is convert from JDE date, and as you see, you have a lot of different kind of rules that you can use here. You can, but this is just in this scenario, the example when you use the JDE date, and then you save it and you build it again. So there you go. So it could have been your delivery ticket, it could have been any information that is sitting anywhere in any custom or non-custom JDE file, or even
outside of JDE.
outside of JDE.
Right.
Because this the connectivity that you saw, sorry, is not just limited to JDE. I could have gone to, we could have gone to any database by specifying a different connection string. We could have gone to Excel file if you want, an Access file, or any SQL Server database. And
with the app that I just showed them, show them the REST APIs.
Absolutely. So that's another good thing. Let me show you that.
So we're just using a Google extension here called Advanced REST Client.
With the EasyCommerce, you get EasyCommerce toolset. So that toolset gives you all the REST APIs. And you can use that to integrate your third-party system with EasyCommerce. So if you want to take orders in EasyCommerce, not through website, but through, some kind of a third-party application, you can use this. People have used this to use non-EasyCommerce API to create our system in our orders. So just to give an example, I can just do a get key, and this will give me a key that I can use to get orders from JDE. So I can just put this key here and send this information. And there's your orders from JDE. They are the orders. You see, this is the one that Doug just created. This is the one that he created from the app. So all real time, all available. It's a tool set. You should think of this as a EasyCommerce as a tool set. So if you have that third-party application that can have any kind of HTTP post or any kind of API calling that they can call REST APIs, they can create orders into EasyCommerce. You don't have to use our web interface to create orders. And we have APIs for everything. If you want to make, if you want to use API for, say, pay invoices, we have for that. You have invoice, create a sales order. We have API for that.
Now I realize we've got the business side involved too, but the technical side is extremely important because of what you brought up with the need, the mandate to integrate against your sales order system, your third-party sales order system, and possibly others out there. Wayne, you said it best.